Instagram and YouTube I am going live and then filming it, so this will be going live on my YouTube channel tomorrow. So I've just had an awesome haul today, so I thought I would show you all the cool things I found because I love them and I think you will too. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So obviously we all know that animal print is a huge trend for this season still, and I absolutely love this black high-waisted midi print in a midi skirt with a subtle animal print to it now. I know you can see it on Instagram because I can see it. Make sure you can see it on YouTube. Also, how cool is that belt? Literally, so cool. Love it so much. Perfect. So cool. So that's one of the things. Also going to show you some of the things I found on Sunday. I have photographed these already though, so you have probably seen them on my stories already, but you know, it's nice to get a little bit more of a preview, isn't it? Next, now this kind of reminds me of that dress, that brown dress that Julia Roberts wore in Pretty Woman to the races, because it's that brown polka dot. That is literally the only resemblance to it, but that's what I always think when I see a brown polka dot dress. But I love it because it's midi length, and then look at this detail here. Oh, hang on. Sleeveless, metals it to the back, and then it has this hole. So that was a bit weird, sorry. Elegant and yet sexy without getting all out. So I love this dress. Really beautiful fabric, really sort of silky feeling on the fabric. So really nice sort of simple details that just make it a standout dress, I think. So it's got a really old label. I actually think this is like 60s, so nice little find there. Next, my love obsession still with like Japanese style pieces has not faded since my trip last year, and I really love this little mandarin, my favourite neckline I've had, apart from the Cuban collar. Little silk blouse, and I love the little buttons, and it's just so pretty. The sort of quilted sort of detail on the shoulders is really sweet as well, I think. Oh, this is so cool. Now, we all know that I love a tropical print. Now this is a waterproof shirt. How cool is that? Literally, I love it. Look at that print. It is so cool. This will look awesome worn to festivals. It's got 2 pockets. Literally, it's the coolest waterproof I've ever seen. This is going to be hard to give up. That's what I'm saying. I literally love this so much. Next, we have a very cool purple batwing dress, and it's got a really long statement sort of tie detail on it as well. So I really like that silhouette. It's like a long sort of elegant casual t-shirt dress, so it's got it all going on, this one. I really love this colour purple because it goes with every skin tone. Next, I love this blue. Nice sort of tealy blue, bit of crochet going on. Now I think I might keep this one. I know I shouldn't say that really, for my holidays, because it's like one of those dresses that you could just go like that and it doesn't crease, which I love because I don't iron. And I just, yeah, really like it. Midi length as well. It's just really cute. Next, we have a very nice classic leather trench coat. Pockets, button fastening, beautiful detailing on. Yeah, really nice coat, isn't it? Fully lined. Nice belt detail on it as well. And this is English Lady. So this is old as well. I think this is like 60s. So, nice. I'm also going to show you the bowl that I've got my mum for her birthday. It's very cool. Now, this is the stuff that I found today. I've just shown you. Now this is the stuff that I found on a Sunday. So we've got a really cool, really heavy leather biker jacket. It's so soft, it's leather, and then look at that detailing. Oh my god, loads of pockets going on. Like, if you're going to wear a leather jacket, this is the sort of leather jacket you should be wearing. So cool. You'll wonder what you wore it before you had it. I can't talk. Next, burnt orange. It may be a season favourite, this one, but it's always been a favourite of mine. I love a bit of burnt orange in my life, and this is a burnt orange jumpsuit. Ta-da! Literally, the coolest way to wear burnt orange is by this jumpsuit, and it has the cool elasticated waist, some beautiful subtle pleats here, which run down the bodice. Do that again so you can see better. And a pocket. Perfect. Again, this is Union made in America, so that always indicates it's quite old. From the styling it does look 80s, but I think it's like maybe 60s. Quite a masculine silhouette, but I really like that. So, very nice. Oh, this is so fun, this dress. Now I'm going to say this wrong because I struggle with easy words to say, don't I? But it's a Neiman Marcus for Susan Fries. And it has just got the coolest print on it, hasn't it? Like, if you was to describe a happy dress, surely you describe a dress that looks like this. Like, I love the clashing prints, the elasticated waist. So this is sort of a wrap dress silhouette here, the front. It has the cutest little beaded details on the neckline. So it is a plunging neckline, this one is. So you sort of tie it here and to keep your modesty. And you tighten the bow, just have it hanging loose, and then it has a beautiful pleated skirt. Like, it's just so much fun. I literally love it. This would make the cutest wedding guest dress. If you have any weddings coming up this summer, spring, just think it's so cute. Love all the colours. Next, little striped number, little sundress. Can't go wrong with stripe, can you? And I like the fact that it's got a sorry, I'm really crap at showing you these things, aren't I? A matching waist belt here. Ta-da! Tie a bit fancy if you fancy it. So, like a stripe. Can't go wrong with a stripe, can you? Easy to wear dress this is, so they look cute with trainers and stuff. Oh, next. Now, if you're looking for a suede jacket, but you're vegan, don't want to wear real suede, this little cute faux suede jacket is perfect. I love all the detail on it, like the stitching detail. It just really makes it that little bit extra special, and also the little side ties as well are a great addition. It's just such a cute little jacket to wear. Really, really like it. Love these sort of stony colours or earthy tones as well. Now next, we have a really beautiful linen style cotton dress though, and it's by Mr. Darren. So this is a collectible number, and I just love it, sort of effortless, sort of floaty silhouette. Like, always see loads of dresses like this, don't you? They roll by all those famous Instagram people, and they look so great floating around like a hot country. I always think of Greece, I don't know why, in the summer. And I really love this lilac colour, which is another colour which is big this season, and I just think it's really pretty. I really like it. I really like all the little pleat details here around the neckline. So nice. And then this has a matching piece of fabric. Now you can wear it as a belt or as a head wrap. Obviously I've done it a lot better in my photos, so you can check that out when I list this, which should be coming this week. I'm going to put the orange jumpsuit on tonight. Now I've got 3 more pieces of clothing to show you, and then I'm going to show you the bowl. Next we have this really cute pink paisley and floral print shirt. Now I love this pattern, and also I really love the little metal buttons on it. Really makes it a little bit extra special. I just think it's really cute. Next, another stony piece. Now it is a shirt, but I think this would look great as a jacket because it is quite thick. It'd be a thick shirt. It has the pockets and it has like the wooden buttons on it. And yeah, I really think this is a useful piece to have in your wardrobe. I might keep this one as well. Sorry. Now next we've got like a little quilted summer coat, I'm going to describe it as. It has a really beautiful edging on it around the neckline, a mandarin collar again. And it's just really nice. Look at that detail. So this is like a really cute little lightweight, easy to wear summer jacket again. And also it's great because it doesn't require any ironing. I love a quilted jacket, like really fun. Now, let me show you the bowl. 1 second, wait there. Right, now, I was meant to go and get this for my mum today. We saw it at the weekend. And I literally just love it. Now, she loves anything with a palm tree on, when we got back, she was like Googling it to see if she could find any other one. So obviously she wanted it, but she didn't say so on Saturday, I think. But isn't it like the coolest bowl you've literally ever seen? Now this is the definition of good ugly, I think. It's got monkeys on it, it's got palm trees on it, it's quite big, size reference, olive in the background, and I just think it's so cool. So there we go, that is my vintage haul for this week. So I've been shopping today, and Sunday I went to 2 fairs, so a good haul for just 2 days worth of shopping. Thank you so much for watching me on Instagram and YouTube. I really appreciate you all watching, and I'm so sorry about olive barking, but I just can't control. Thank you, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.